I'm doing everything 100% risk-free. So I just came to Walmart to buy some stuff and she thinks I'm stealing.
Have a good day.
Guess I'm not stealing, right?
Checking everyone.
Oh, you're checking everyone. Didn't check her. She's checking everyone, but not her. Well, if you guys enjoy these kind of reselling videos, please give me a like. And if this video reaches 100 likes, I'll make more videos like this. What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and today I'm gonna have a different kind of video for you guys. So usually I'm talking about the stock market, wheat stocks, or anything money related, but today I'm gonna show you guys how Investing Hustler makes money on Black Friday. So I made a budget for myself today. I'm gonna do some Black Friday shopping. I made about a $4,000 budget today. So $4,000, this is $4,000 in Canadian. My last Black Friday, I made a little bit over $1,000. I'm pretty much gonna walk you guys through the step. Maybe I'll show you guys a couple clips of me buying some stuff. And at the end of today, and at the end of this whole weekend, I'm gonna show you guys the total amount of money that I've spent and how I plan to make that money back and then some. So right now, I'm gonna be doing some shopping. First stop is gonna be EB Games. I'm gonna try to buy a crap load of games, and I'll see you guys there. So I'm doing Black Friday shopping, and I was trying to record the whole transaction inside the store, but the manager told me I couldn't record because of like some rules, laws, regulations. So literally just now I spent $850 on video games at EB Games. I'm gonna show you guys when I get home. I'm still gonna do some shopping. I'm gonna go to Walmart, see if I could pick up some Google Homes, because those have been a pretty big hit. And at the end of the day, I'm gonna show you guys how I plan to make money off each of these sales. I'll see you guys soon. So I just came to Walmart to buy some stuff and she thinks I'm stealing.
Have a good day.
Guess I'm not stealing, right? Trying to do some honest shopping.
Checking everyone.
Oh, you're checking everyone. Didn't check her. She's checking everyone, but not her. So I literally just spent $850 on video games at EB Games, just to realize that when I went to Walmart, the games were a lot cheaper. So I just bought some games there. Now I'm back at EB Games. I'm gonna do a return and then go back to Walmart and get those games. Back to Walmart. Let's see if they stop me again. I swear every time I buy from the store, security stops me. So we're gonna find out real soon. But with me, it's a problem. I've been doing some Black Friday shopping. Apparently that's not allowed. Everyone else walking by, no problem. Nope. But for me, you gotta check me. You sure you don't wanna check my bag? So I just finished part one of my Black Friday shopping. I have not broke my budget yet. I think I spent a little bit over $1,000. I have all the bags, don't mind the mess. I literally haven't been home all week. I pretty much just come home to like shower and change and then edit a video. So yeah, I still have probably a little bit less than $3,000 left for my Black Friday budget. I spent a little bit, $1,000. Let's look at the goodies that I bought. So I did do some EB Games shopping. Unfortunately, they did not let me record in the store. I asked them, and then they said that they didn't want me to do it because of some rules or whatever. So let's have my EB Game pile right here. I'm gonna switch the camera around and I'll show you guys exactly what I bought. So I kind of messed up. I think I lost one of my receipts. Okay, so now I'm feeling much better. I found all my receipts, and this is very important. Receipts are very important. So on my first trip, Black Friday shopping, I went to EB Games and I bought all these games right here. So this is the receipt for my first trip to EB Games. I had a $850 total, and then I did a $372 return because I went to Walmart to find out that the games are $10 cheaper there. So on my first trip to Walmart, I'm pretty sure I bought all these games right here. And let me find the receipt. It's a mess in here, guys, don't worry. So first trip to Walmart right here. I spent a total of 560 bucks at Walmart. I got 3 Mario Tennises, 2 Black Ops 5, Black Ops 4, 2 FIFA 19s, 2 little Google Homes, 1 big Google Home. I'm actually about to go pick up some more Google Homes. I'm feeling a lot better now that I found my receipt. And the moment I find one, I feel like I lost the others. No, I have to have my other receipt. So this was my 3rd trip to Walmart. After I returned that stuff at EB Games, I spent a total of $320. So right here we have about 850 minus 370, so that's like 480 bucks, plus $320, that's 700, that's $800, plus $560, that's $1,360, give or take. So far I spent $1,360. My budget is $4,000, so I'm way below my budget. I'm actually about to head to Walmart some more. Once again, do not mind the mess. I want this table to be filled with Black Friday goodies. I'm probably gonna buy a couple more of those Google Home Minis. I'm not sure, maybe some more video games. I want to pick up some PS4 Slims as well, because they have a good deal on those right now. So I'm gonna take some cash with me. I'm not gonna take all my cash because you never know, I might lose it all. So I'll take this. This is my budget right now. I'm still way under my $4,000 budget. This is part 1 of Black Friday shopping. I haven't done a reselling video in a very long time. So what better day to do a reselling video than on Black Friday? So keep in mind, right now my Black Friday shopping is not done because I'm going to be doing it all weekend, but I'm going to try to release this video on a Friday, because what better day to release a Black Friday video than on Black Friday. So I've been doing some shopping, as you can see right here. I got a bunch of PS4s, a bunch of video games. So far today I've spent, I think, around $2,200. I'm going to break down the details. I have all my receipts. Right here. I know I've spent a little over $2,000 for sure. And I'm going to show you guys how I make money on Black Friday 100% risk free. That means I am taking 0 risk at all. And the reason why I'm taking 0 risk is because of these. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys the shopping. So far I've only went to EB Games and Walmart. I might be going to Best Buy later tonight. I might be going back to Walmart, get some more Google Homes. I picked up some Google Home Minis. I picked up a large one. I keep going with not enough cash. I'm taking like 1,000 cash with me, thinking that will be enough cash for me to buy everything I need, and then I end up not having enough cash and having to come home, pick up some cash and go back. But so far it has been a success. I did pick up a bunch of good deals. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to make money on Black Friday 100% risk free. Bam. Back to Walmart. Let's see if they stop me again. I swear every time I buy from the store, security stops me. So we're gonna find out real soon. Bought a bunch of PS4s and a PSVR and some games. Black Friday shopping. Oh, sorry. Did I get my receipt? I got my receipt, right? Friday shopping part 2. Spent $1,180. It's a real receipt, Walmart right here. I should have brought more money, but what can you do? And I called it once again. I'm getting checked by my favorite security in the world. Because apparently I'm only here to steal. Everyone else is free to walk in and out except me. Must be the jacket. Okay, good. You approve? Oh, he approves. So part 2 of my Black Friday shopping is finally over. Honestly, I'm exhausted. Shopping does get exhausting. So I'll show you guys what I got. I got 3 PS4s, a PSVR, and 2 Donkey Kong games. So I should have brought more money because I keep taking trips back and forth. I barely had enough cash just to afford that. So from total of what I spent on that trip, I spent about, I'm not sure if you guys can see that, a total of $1,180. I'm going to reverse the camera and I'll show you guys exactly what I... So once again, don't mind the mess, guys. So right here, we got 4 separate purchases. So this was my EB Games purchase. Originally at at $850. I ended up making a return of $372 because I realized that Walmart games were a lot cheaper. I'm gonna explain to you guys why I'm making all these purchases right now. This was my Walmart trip, my second trip to Walmart, and I bought 6 games for $320. This one was my first trip to Walmart. Bought 15 stuff. I bought 2 Google Home Minis. I'm actually probably gonna go back to Walmart and just get a bunch of Google Home Minis because they do seem to be a good deal. Bunch of Mario Tennises, Call of Duty Black Ops 4, FIFA 19. So I got a bunch of Black Ops 4s. I got a bunch of Mario Tennises. And then my fourth trip, I got PS4s, brand new sealed PS4 Slims, and the PSVR Astro World combo. Everything's brand new. I got the receipt right here, 1,180. Plus it came with, I got 2 Donkey Kong games for the Switch. These Switch games, I paid about $49.99 for them. Okay, so let's do some math. So over here I spent a total of about $520 plus 320. This is 840 plus 560. This is all off the top of my head. Plus 560, that's 1,300. That's 1,400 plus 1,180. That's $2,580, give or take, and then some. So I spent total about $2,800. I had a $4,000 budget. I'm still way under my budget, so I might go do some more shopping, but I'm actually so exhausted, so I might just start editing this video. So now I'm gonna explain to you guys why I did all this. So what comes after Black Friday? What's the biggest holiday that comes after Black Friday? Is Christmas. So this isn't my first Black Friday that I've done this. Last Black Friday I made a little bit over $1,000, and it's almost 100% guaranteed where you don't risk any money at all, and you can easily make some money on Black Fridays because you get deals. All these games right here, some of these games I paid $39.99 for. Some of these games I paid $49.99 for, and oh shit, and these are all Canadian prices. So in Canada, normally these games retail $79.99. With taxes, that comes about to $70, $90 with taxes. So all these games right here, I paid, let's say the $39.99 games, I paid a little less than 50. The $59.99 games, I paid a little less than 60. I could sell all these games since they're brand new seal for pretty much $75 to $70, which isn't a lot. So that's like $25 per game. Worst case scenario, only 10. So let's count the amount of games that I have. So right here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So that's 24 games. Let's say I make $20 off 24 of those games. That's $480 profit right there. These systems, I've got them for, let's look at the receipt so you guys know I'm not talking on my ass. For $229, this is Canadian dollars, and I could easily sell them for $300. So with taxes, it came to about $250. So that's $50 profit for each system. So that's 100, and I could probably make a little bit more off the VR. I bought that one for $249, and this one actually retails for $379. So I could probably sell it for $350. So total so far, which I'm not done my Black Friday shopping, I would say I could make a total of $600 to $700 profit just from these items just from these items alone. And it's not, and the best thing about them is I have receipts. So in 30 days, if I don't sell anything, oh, I forgot to even include the Google Homes. The Google Homes, I don't make that much. These ones I paid $35 for them. They retail $79.99. I could probably get $60 out of them. So it's like $10, $15. But at the end of the day, it's risk-free money. I'm doing everything 100% risk-free. If I don't sell anything, what do? I go back to the store, return everything, get all my money back, 0% risk. And if I do want to take that risk and wait until Christmas, which Christmas, it gets really busy, especially if you're reselling, because everyone wants gifts. Kids want video games. Everyone wants a Google Home. Everyone wants a PS4, PSVR, especially if it's brand new. So a lot of these places, they're going to be sold out. A lot of these places, and then who are they going to come to? They're going to come to me. But that depends if I'm willing to take that risk. If I don't want to take that risk, I could return it on December, what day is it today? On December 22nd, December 23rd. I have 30 days to return it. And if I don't want to take that risk, I'll return it. I get all my money back. Maybe I've sold some items, maybe I sell nothing, but at the end of the day, the only thing I wasted is time. But I will guarantee you that I will sell at least half of this stuff, because I've done it before. This isn't my first Black Friday that I made money. I'm actually very exhausted, but I might go out to do some more shopping. Once again, it's a Black Friday weekend, so maybe tomorrow I'll go out. But it's always good going out on a Friday, because that's when you get the best deals. But that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this Black Friday shopping video. And maybe next Black Friday, or you guys can go out and do some Black Friday shopping during the weekend. And let me know if you guys ever done this, or if anyone's ever profited off Black Friday. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a like. And if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that notification bell and smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.